Let's take a look at job simplification. Job simplification is the process of eliminating or combining tasks and/or changing the work sequence to improve performance. Job simplification makes jobs more specialized. Job simplification breaks down jobs into steps using a flowchart, and then employees analyze the steps to see if they can do the following. Eliminate. Does the task or do parts of it have to be done at all? If not, don't waste time on them. Combine. Doing similar things together often saves time. Make one trip to the mailroom at the end of the day instead of several throughout. Change. Often, a change in the order of doing things or designing new systems results in a lower total time spent on tasks. Motivational. In some cases, work simplification may be motivational. If an individual is overwhelmed by a job, work simplification allows that person to understand the job better, and the job therefore becomes more motivational. So, in the job simplification process, we assist workers with the task identity factor from the job characteristic model and potentially with the task significant factor as well.